What's the expectation in Armagh now?
You know, they get a bit of luck with injuries. Grugan's fit, and
Kieran
uh,
McGeeney and stuff comes back.
Cambridge out.
Kieran Cambridge, Dar McMullen, Ben Creeley, a bit of luck with injuries. At full strength, they're still going to be it's still going to be a formidable outfit. Is there an All Ireland in them? Probably at this stage of the season, I would say no, but they certainly should be looking at an Ulster Championship.
Obviously, they had won the All Ireland, but so much of the talk was about like how determined, because of the disappointments that they have had to amongst the group, to win
Yeah.
an Ulster. And that's because that's where the real heartache has come for this Armagh group, you would say.
Well, I mean, if they couldn't really have come any closer, could they? I mean, they've had no luck, and I couldn't see an All Ireland, but Ulster title, I think, an Anglo Celt.